Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today my mom makes gizzards. So I'm going to be saying what she did. So first we start with meat gizzard. So she put it in the bucket so that she can go and use water and wash it. She washed it very well so that all the dirty and bacteria will go off. She washed all the sides and to remove the blood. After she put it in the pot and had sugar. So after she had curry powder to the meat. So my mom had thyme and she put white onions. So after she just put Maggi that you put inside food. So she had water to make it softer. And she starts mixing it together so that it can mix well. She mixed all the sides. And she had
pepper.
She had pepper. She covered it and she started frying it. Sorry guys, I did not say before she fried it. She
not fry it. I'm boiling it.
She boiled it. And after she mixed it. After she take another bucket and put onions, pepper, and small pepper. She put water so that she can wash all the bacteria and dirty. She put vinegar so that she can also remove all the dirty. After that, she blends it with one of the things that she bought so that she can blend it. And she finished, she removed what they used to blend it. So she took a pot and put oil and pour the meat inside, pour the meat gizzard inside to let it boil.
To fry it.
So after she starts mixing it while frying it. After that she was still mixing it so that it can cook well. After she had the pepper and onions together and mixed the food together so that it can be yummy. She mix it well. She mix all the sides. After she cover it and wait a little moment, and when she open it back, it was almost ready. So she still turn it a little bit before it's ready. Because you know guys, gizzard need to be spicy. And after my mom had tomatoes to the gizzard and she added to the gizzard and mix it together. After she stopped mixing it and after she covered it so they can boil a little by themselves. Now the gizzard sauce is ready. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and follow our page. Thank you for watching. Bye.